Hello everyone, today we came to the manufacturing base of the Centrifuge, which is known as the leading centrifuge manufacturer in China.
Now behind us is the complex building with a total area of 20,000 square meters that our company put into use in 2020. There is a technology research and development department, assembly workshop, warehouse, laboratory in the building. Among them, there are 5 assembly workshops with a total area of 9,000 square meters, which are floor standing centrifuge workshop, desktop centrifuge workshop, batch assembly line workshop, automatic centrifuge workshop, and debugging workshop.
Now I'm on the 5th floor of the complex building, and here is the technology center,
which is divided into office areas and laboratory areas. Since Centrifuge production base totally have 223 employees, including 38 technical engineers, accounting for 17% of the total number of employees in the company.
As we can see now, I'm in the laboratory. There are centrifuges in the testing stage, and all new products will be tested in their before launch. This is the space centrifuge customized by our company for the China space station.
And this centrifuge is also the only one used in space station in the world.
Here is one of our assembly workshops, and here is the batch assembly line workshop. Here is the debugging workshop. Now I'm in the metal working workshop. Such as rotors, driving systems, spare parts, and other accessories. Here are our self-developed motors.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.